friends, in previous class we discussed about the comparison of Indian system and international system. Already I given homework for you. Practice that two tables comparison. Two tables comparison we have completed. I told to you. Regarding to that one, some problems we will complete now. Okay, what are the place values of Indian system? That one you have to remember. In Indian system we have once in Indian system. Indian system, international system. Indian system, international system. These comparison you should know. Then only we can complete the two Romans remaining. Then in the two Romans we will complete now. What are the sums? Okay, see here. First we have to remember the Indian system. Indian system, later international system. International system. Indian system, international system. Place values you have to remember. For this question we have to remember place values. Not group. Place values you have to remember. What are the groups here? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. These are the place values. Okay, these place values compulsory you have to remember place values for these type of questions. Generally we can easily do. Otherwise it will be it will take another model also, but it will take more time. It will take more time. What are the place values I have written here in Indian system? In Indian system we have place values ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Okay. Now in an international system, international system, Indian system it is. Indian system. Okay. What are the place values are available in India international system? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Next, what are the place value? Million, million, 10 million, 100 million. Later billion, later billion. Million after we will get million, later trillion. Okay, billion. Up to this only enough. Okay, comparison means you have to remember this. Okay, 10 lakhs equal to 1 million, 1 crore equal to 10 million, 1 lakh equal to 100,000. That one you have to identify. Without using the table, we can say, but that will be required more practice. If you remember these two comparison table, you can complete the sums very easy. Now we will complete the questions related to that one. Okay, what are the questions are given to you? That one we will see now. Okay, what are the questions are given? First question. What is the first question here given? In page number 18. In new textbook, page number 18. Page number 18. Fifth Roman. Okay, what is it given? Write the following. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in international system. International system. That means they are required. International system is what is the meaning? They are given. What are that word? God form. We have to write. God form. That means we have to write Indian system number is given to you. Then only we can write international system. That means indirectly they are given. Write the international system. That means what is the question given? The question is in the form of Indian system. The question is in the form of Indian system. Okay, what is the question? 29 crores, 35 lakhs, 46,000, 46,000 700 and 53. This is the question. What the question is given to you, that one you have to read carefully. When any subject question, we have to read question carefully. You have to understand that one first. Then only we can answer that question. Otherwise, you can't hear it. Okay, what is the question here? 29 crores. 29 crores, 35 lakh, 40,700 and 53. That one you have to arrange number here. What is the 20 crore, 29 crore. 29 crore means 29. That is 2 digits. 29 crore. 29 crore. 35 lakhs. 35 lakhs. 35 also 2 digit number. 35 lakhs. Indian system is given to you. That's the Indian system side you have to write. Okay. The next 40,000. 40 is also the 2 digit number. 40,000 and 753. This is the Indian system given number. Okay, directly we can't write. We have to convert it to numbers. Now compare with the international system. What is the number here? 29 is related to the median place. Here 29 is related to the median place. Okay, this is the thousand place. Million place up to this one. Okay, up to this one millions. Okay, up to this one thousands. Up to this one unit. Now we can write down watts. Okay, for this one solution, international system. What is the answer for this one? Okay, look here. 2 is located at 100 million. 9 is located at 10 million. 3 is located at million. Okay, what is the million place having? 293. 293 million. That is million place have 293. Next, thousand place have which digits? 100,000, 10,000, 1,000. 540,000. But if 540 correct only 540. That one don't write mistake. 540 means it will take a another way. 500 only hard. 540,000 after what is the number again? 753. 753. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for you. Okay, you have to complete the second sum by following this one. Okay, I will not explain that one. Okay, by following this one, you have to complete the second question. I will go for the sixth one. Whenever Indian system not given, international system is given to you, how you complete? By following this question, you have to complete the second question. What is the second question? Big question here given. What is the big question? What is the big question here? 1,000 crore. 99 lakhs. 99 lakhs and 43. They are confusing you. Only 1,000 crores. 1,000 crores means we have to crore value is 1,000. Okay, how we can write? 1,000 crore, 99 lakh. 1,000 crore means in crore place. Crore after we have 1. 1,000 will be there. 1,000 will be there. Okay, crore. In crore, what is the number there? 1,000. 1,000 crore, 99 lakhs. Okay, lakhs 99. 43 means they not given thousands. Thousands are not given means you have to keep zeros. Okay, 100 is also not given. That is also being 0. Now we can write. Okay, billion after one more digit is there. Billion after which is the place value for us? 10 million, 10 billion, 10 billion. This is the 10 billion place. Okay, 10 billion after this one place. Okay, and that means billion place having 10. The billion place having 10. Here we have 10 billion. Okay, this is the 10 billion place. 1. Okay, that one you have to identify. Okay, that one you have to write in words. What is the words here? 10 billion, 10 billion, 10 billion. In 100 crores, in million place, what is the number? In million place, 9 only. Only 9 is there. 0, 0, 9 means 9 only. 9. 9 million. 9 million. We have to compare these two tables. Billion means these two we have to take. That means 10 billion. Okay, million means these three lines. Okay, these three lines have to remember. Okay, 9 take. Next, 1000. 1000 means what is the digit here? 900. 900,000. 900. 900,000. 900,000. What is the last digit? 43. 43. 900,000. 43. That is the answer. Okay. Next, Indian system is we have to frame. If you know the comparing table, it will be easy to you. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Now we will go for the next question. Sixth one. Sixth one question I am now reading. We have to frame Indian system. Okay, 9 billion. 9 billion. 9 billion. 20. 24. 24 million. 24 million. 400. 4,000. 4,000. 4,000. Wait. 4,000 not 50,000. This is million 550. 50,000 and 72. 72. Okay, this is the question given. What is the question? 9 billion, 24 million, 24 million, 50,000. 50 means double digit. 24 also double digit. And 72,000. 72 and 72. Where is your number in the internet system side? Okay, what is the 9 billion? That means billion side. What is the number? 9. 9 billion. 24 million. 24 is a 2-digit number only. 2-digit number means 10 million after we have 24 million. Okay, 24 million. 40,000. 40 also 2-digit number only. That means 10 plus 40,000. 100 place not given. 100 place not given. Okay, that's why it written it from 10 place only. 10 million. 10,000. Next 72. 72 also 2-digit number. 72. That is completely 100 places they skipped. Okay, so which places are not getting, those take as 0. Those take as 0. Now write in Indian system. Okay, 90 is located crores place having 900. That means up to 10 crores only we know that able. 10 crores after 100 crores we know. So we have come to in crores place what is the number here? In crores means these three boxes. Crore related. These boxes having 902. What you can write? 902. 902 crores. We are writing Indian system. That's why crores I am writing. Crores. And in lakhs. Lakhs means what are the digits here? 40. 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs. Continuation we can write. No problem. 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs. In thousand place, what is the number? Here also 40 only. 40,000. 40,000. 40,000. In unit 72. 7 and 72 and 72. This is the answer. Okay, by following this one, complete second one. 700 million. What is this? This is the first one question. Second one question. What is it given? 700 million, billion, not billion, billion. 6 million, 6 millions, 4,000, 700, 700 and 5. 705. Okay, arrange in Internet system first. By reading the number, what form, we have to arrange in an Internet system. While answering this question, this type of questions, we have to remember this comparison. Then only we can do very simply. What is the question? 700 billion. That means billion place having 700. 700 billion. 700. That means here we have billion. Up to billion we can write 700. Up to billion we can write 700 billion. Okay, 6 million. 6 is one digit number. That means 6 is 1 million place only have right. Okay, 6 million. 6 million. 6 million. 4,000. 4,000 also 4 one digit only. 4,000 means 4,000 means only 100. Skip the 100, 1,000, 10,000. 4,000. 705. 705. Which digits are not getting? Those take zeros. 2 zeros. Okay, these two also zeros. Now we can write the Indian system. Okay, up to crores only we know. Up to crores only we know in the Indian system. In crores up to this one you have to take. Crores means you have to take up to this one. Okay, up to this one only crores. What is the crores? 70,000 crores. 70,000 crores we can write. 70,000 solution. That means crores means you have to take up to this one. Up to this one, what is the number here? 70,000. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 70,000. 70,000. 70,000 crores. 70,000 crores. Next, lakh place, what is the number? 60. 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs in thousand places. What is the thousand place? 4. 0, 4. 4 means 4 only. 4,000. 4,000. 4,000. 705. Last 3 digits. 705. 705 is the solution. That means simply, if you are not able to write by comparing, first write the Internet system number and later convert into the Indian system. That mode also you can. Already we told that one. How you can write. Okay, now we will go for the next exercise. Now we will do the addition, subtraction, multiplication related sums. We have in the next exercise we have just measurements. What are the measurements? To measure the weight of some article. Okay, for example, I want to weight some wooden box. Then what are the units for that one? What are the units means? Those are the grams. Basic units for the weight. Basic units for basic units. Okay, weight. For weight, what are the basic units? Grams. What are the basic units for the weight? Gram. Gram is denoted by G. Gram is denoted by G. Next, what is the liquids? That means these are the solids. These are the solids. If you take a liquid, what are the basic measurement for liquid? Okay, we can take milliliters. That means we can write liters. Otherwise, liters we can write liters. Liquids. Okay, like that we can take. Okay, what are the measurements for the distance? What are the basic measurements? Meters. Meter is denoted by m. Liters is denoted by l. That means basic units for the solid weight, gram. Okay, basic unit for the liquids, liters. Okay, basic unit for the distance, m. Okay, basic unit for the time, second. Basic unit for the time, second. By using those, we can complete the question. Okay, what is the work today? We have to complete the work here today. What is the homework for you? Exercise 1.3. That means page number 18. Page number 18. Complete third Roman, fifth Roman, sixth Roman. These three Romans practice. Page number 18, third Roman, fifth Roman, sixth Roman. Okay, today only we will discuss these two Romans. Okay, this is the previous class question.